everyone, this is Sal Congeloso from Geek.com, and I wanted to do something a little different today. I wanted to take a look at an app that I made, and it's called Summer of BBQ. It's right here on my Nexus 5. You'll see that I'm actually running Android L on here just because it's cool, but also the apps are compatible with it. So this is just a quick app I made to help myself fire up my barbecue grill. I was carrying around tons of papers and all sorts of notes and sheets and pens, and I said, you know what, this is crazy. I'm gonna put this into a notepad. I did that, and then I said, this is crazy. I'm gonna turn this into an app, and that's what I did. So pretty simple. It's for right now it's a free app. That may change, but it is free, and it's just sort of a checklist. So you can go through the gear, the rub, the meat, the sauce, and the steps you need to do your slow cooking. So it's pretty simple. Here's a look at the it's a checklist. These are things you will need: matches, newspaper, wood, obviously, tongs. Go back. The rub, any sort of good barbecue. In this case, pulled pork is going to have some rub on it. These are my recommendations and my instructions, but you know, easy enough to use this as a template and tweak it. Same with the sauce. The meat is a little different since there's just one piece of meat for the most part. And then you have the steps. This is really the important part, and you could sort of add on as you go, presumably in order. Obviously the steps stay clicked when you go. If you want to remove the check marks, that's the little Easter egg here. It's down there. Let's clear the check boxes, and then you could email me with any feedback. Like I said, it is a free app, but I am looking for feedback if possible. And then finally, I have a meat calculator. This is just sort of for approximate times. I wouldn't use this as any sort of scientific measure, but you really want to go by the temperature of the meat, not by the weight of the meat. You don't want to cook based on time. You want to cook based on temperature. But you know, say you're cooking a 6-pound pork butt, you could figure if you're going to cook at 225, you're shooting for about a 9-hour cook. You know, more or less. If your temperature is at 275, which is a little hot, you know, obviously a fair bit higher, and it's going to cook the meat a good deal quicker, you're looking more at like a 6.5-hour cook. That's just an approximate time, but it'll give you an idea of about, you know, when you could have people come over for dinner and when you should fire up the grill. You know, it takes about maybe an hour to prep the meat and get the grill up to temperature. So you know that, hey, I want to start this and give myself, you know, a good 8-hour cook if I have a pretty good sized piece of meat. Anyway, yeah, so this is Summer of BBQ. It works with all Android devices. It's available on the Google Play Store and the Amazon App Store. This is Sal Congeloso. Thanks for watching.